Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to paint simple trees. We are going to need paper, sponge, some jute rope, paints, oil pastels. So let's begin. We are going to wrap our paper with the jute rope like this. We are holding the paper horizontal and not vertical. This is a vertical paper. This is a horizontal paper. You're going to hold your paper or book in a horizontal position and start wrapping the paper. See to it that it is not very tight or very loose. Here we have roughly wrapped the string around the paper. Just adjust the strings. Okay, so let's begin. I have some paints over here. I have taken light yellow, ochre yellow, green and a purple. I have folded this piece of sponge to make it a thick roll so that I can hold this. I'll start with a light color. Then I can dip the same sponge in a dark color, then a little bit more dark and the darkest of the color. I'll dip the sponge in some paint. Yellow I will put in the middle. I will sponge over the strings. Okay, now I'm dipping my paint in a dark color, ochre yellow. I will dab this color at the base of the paper. Can you see the color is mixing? See, the light yellow and the ochre yellow color is mixing with each other, so it gives a nice shading effect. Now let's dip the same sponge in the green color and we'll dab it slightly above the light yellow color. These are going to be the leaves or the foliage of your tree. You can blend in the color a bit somewhere. Now I'm dipping my sponge in a purple shade, a purple color. I'm going to use this purple color only at the top somewhere just to create a dark effect. I'm going to use the purple very lightly and very little. Very gently I will remove the strings. See, can you see where the strings were going? The paint is not there. We'll allow our paint to dry. Our paint is dried now. We'll use some crayons to add details to our tree. You can see the uncolored lines that are formed because we had tied the string and we had taken print with the help of a sponge. We are going to use the crayons or the oil pastels to draw the tree trunks. See, these are the tree trunks. Now can you see? We'll use another dark color, add details. This looks like a forest where all the trees are very close to each other. Some trunks here and there which you can see in between. Now are you able to see? These are the trees and in the background there are the leaves. We'll take a dark color to make it more defined, or we'll add some details. we are not going to color the tree trunks, because if we color the tree trunks and the background is also colored, the tree trunks are also colored, everything will look very dark. We'll just highlight it somewhere. You can add some details to the tree trunks to make it more defined. You can add another color. Just to give some highlight, I'm using a red color here and there. So our painted trees are ready.